In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your Chevy Cruze. Remove your dipstick and just make a mental note of where the level is. Wipe it away, set it aside, and remove your oil cap. Now we're going to go underneath. Here's the oil plug. You can either use a 15mm socket or a T40 Torx bit. We're going to use our socket first. See if that cracks it open, and if not, we'll use the Torx bit. Now that you have it broken free, we're going to take our plug out. I usually hold pressure, and then once I get it completely out, I pull it away real fast, like this, and let it drain. We're going to remove our gasket on our plug and replace it. I'm going to use a pick to get it started, and then you're going to have to unscrew it off because it's a pretty tight fit. Put our new one on. I'm just going to screw it on. And this particular one goes inside the plug. It should fit right in, like that. Let's wipe this clean. And now we're going to tighten it up and torque it. I'm going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Clean up your mess. And now we're going to take the oil filter off. So just behind the oil plug, you're going to see the oil filter, and it's in the front of the car. So now we're going to use our oil filter wrench and loosen it up. Make sure you have your drip pan below to catch the fluid. I usually loosen it a little bit till it starts dripping and let that drain. Once it's done dripping, you can take it off the rest of the way. And that'll save you from getting oil dripped down your sleeve. You want to check that the old gasket off the old filter is not stuck to the engine. And while you're waiting, you can lubricate your new gasket on your new filter. Clean the surface with a rag and install your new oil filter. Make sure you thread it on nicely. Do not cross-thread it. Spin it on. And you're going to go about a quarter of a turn more after it stops. And if it's too slippery, you can use your tool, which I'm going to do. Do not over-tighten these. That's not necessary. I would say right about there is good. Use whatever the manufacturer recommends for oil. And it takes 4 quarts, 0.2. So we're going to start with 4. And that's number 4. Now we're going to put our 0.2 in, or 1/5 of a quart. That's probably good. Remove your funnel. Put your cap on. Install your dipstick. Now we're going to start our vehicle. Let it run for a second. And you can shut it off. And we're going to check our oil and make sure it's at the right level. Now we're going to check. Pull your dipstick out. Wipe it off. Put it in. And let's see where it's at. All right, so it looks like our oil's pretty good. When it gets hot, it should be at that second dot. If your oil level is where it belongs, you can reset your oil life indicator. You're in the driver's seat. You're going to put your key in the ignition. You're going to turn in the on position. Do not start it. Now you're going to hit the menu button that's on your directional. Now you can cycle through until you get to the oil, which is right there. And now you're going to hit this button right here It's a set or clear button. And as you do that, you're going to push your brake pedal at the same time. Are you sure you want to reset? You're going to scroll up and hit yes. Now you're at 100% oil life. Now that it's reset, you can remove your key.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.